The margins are the empty space between the edge of the page and the contents of the document. Depending on your needs, you can change the margins to become wider, narrower, or a mix of both. This video will show you how to fix and change the default 1-inch margins in Microsoft Word. Applying preset margins. In an open project in Microsoft Word, click Layout. This will be in the top toolbar between Design and References. Click Margins. You can find this in the upper left corner of the Layout tab. Select a margin type. You'll see a list of preset margins. Click a preset margin to apply it to your document. It should be applied immediately. Creating custom margins. In the Layout tab between Design and References, click Margins. A pop-up menu will open. Click Custom Margins. A new window will open. Set your new margins. On a desktop application, you'll be able to edit the margin sizes for top, left, bottom, right, and gutter positions. Click the field and enter your new margin size, or use the up-down arrow to adjust the current margins. Only adjust the gutter margin if you intend to use the document in a bound format. Make sure Apply To is set to whole document, unless you only want to change the margins from this point forward. Set new default margins, which is optional, if you want to use this margin for all new documents in Microsoft Word. Click OK when finished. The changes will be applied immediately.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.